Regular yung mga products na magagaling doon. Kung karaniwan tao po ako,
sa confirmatory statements after they actually go in and do the monitoring.
I would like to report the detection of an avian influenza strain in the country. I'd like to stop there and stress it is the detection of a strain. This early, I'd like to say the disease is not here. This is an infectious strain. After a series of laboratory analysis and tests, the Bureau of Animal Industry detected the presence of a low-risk flu strain. Low-risk flu strain in ducks in a small isolated farm in Kalumpit, Bulacan. The ducks remain healthy and not a single mortality has been recorded in the said farm. Chicken in the same farm and in nearby farms continue to be AI-free. Chickens are not affected.
Sa mga kamay, watching ko,